my name is Tim, welcome to the channel. In this video I'm going to demonstrate how to mirrors fold in on an MGF or TF. Now this is a 2010 model that people say have the folding mirrors, so they just fold in simply like this. And out like that. Very simple. But also older models also have folding mirrors, which I'm going to demonstrate now. So here you can see the mirrors on my Lotus Elise are exactly the same as the mirrors you get on an MGF or TF, same as the manual versions. I'm going to show you how you fold them in. So just fold them in like this, and there's a hook there, they just hook on. You can leave in that position, which is a folded in position. When to fold them out again, you just unhook. There's a little hook on here. You just unhook them, and back in they go. Simple as that.